Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chisom Belinda. Just in case you're seeing me for the first time, okay, I shoot videos on phonography, like everything, being creative with your phone. I mean, phone videography, photography, as well as help people understand some trending apps. I do beauty videos, I do lifestyle videos, and then sometimes I rant because I'm a talkative. So today I decided to make this video on how to use TikTok for beginners TikTok. I made this video because so many people have been asking me how could they use TikTok, like they don't have a basic knowledge about TikTok, and then how could they even grow an account on TikTok. So I started, and there's something about me, I'm very good at learning apps. I'm very good with that. I'm very good at digging into things that probably you've not seen about that app. So pardon me, I'm just too inquisitive when it comes to apps. I love applications, I love making videos. Anything that has to do with making videos interests me a whole lot. I could go out of my way just to get things done, as long as it's videos. So just sit back and watch this video. It's going to be quite interesting, and it's going to be very clear. If you've watched my videos, my tutorial videos, you will know that I teach people. I pass knowledge to even a layman. That's the truth. So let's go. I have my other phone on my hand here, and I have my TikTok app on that phone too. Okay, let's see. So here I have my TikTok application on the phone. So when you open the TikTok application, so basically I have my I'm right here in front of my shoot equipment, and here I have a phone stand, and I have my phone because I want to show you how I do my TikTok videos. And sometimes I just sit right here, I just sit wherever I am, but I just have to make use of this place because this feels very comfortable right now to make this YouTube video. So this is me, this is my phone. I'm on TikTok right at the moment. So I would have to start creating an account. Like I said, you create an account on TikTok, either using your phone number or email address or Facebook or something of that sort. But for me, I'm not going to be opening an account because I have an account. Here you go. So I created my bio based on what I want and what I want to be doing on TikTok. And you just have to know what you want to be known for, how you want to be known on TikTok. And for me, it's all about Jesus on TikTok and being a self-care addict. And you know, I own a YouTube channel, so I just try to put it up on any social platform. So let us go straight to home. So right here on home, I have videos. So you just keep seeing videos, you scroll, it's going to show you more videos, and you can actually explore videos on this home page. You could just keep scrolling and you find something you want to do. Okay, these are people's videos. I'm just scrolling, I'm trying to check out what they're doing, and then I get to this feels like something I like because it has to do with Christian whatever, since I love Christian stuff. So I love this, so why don't I try something with this? To do that, all I have to do is click on that button that has the icon of music, like that round icon, sorry, down right, can see the icon that has music flowing out of it, music icon. When you click on that icon, because what I want to do is use the sound, so when I click on that icon, it takes me to the original song, and now you can see the original. Look down there, it says use the sound, so I click on use the sound. Okay, that's the original. I'm going to be going to, that's the original. So let's go to using the sound. So after clicking on use sound, then it brings me right to my screen. Okay, in case the video is more than 15 seconds, you must have to click down here. See where you have 15 seconds, 60 seconds, because it's automatically on 15 seconds. So you just have to click on 60 seconds. Click on 60 seconds. Okay, I don't know why this is taking time. I'm trying to click on 60 seconds. Why is this doing this to me? 60 seconds. So the video is 22 seconds. So you see, we really needed to click that 60 seconds. If not, the video will cut at 15 seconds, which is not good for your video you're making. So right here, I have this video, I have the sound. Then what next? Okay, now I want to use the sound. All I need to do is click on the start button to use the sound. Let's go. I'm using the sound and the feels good. So the sound is actually playing and I'm making my video, and most times you have to get to understand the sound. Maybe it might be you mimicking somebody's dialogue. You might get to watch it like twice, thrice, so you understand what to do and when to do what to do, so you can flow while it's playing. So that's how it works. So here you go to stickers. Okay, we have stickers there, we have text there. I've made the video finish, so let's explore. We go to the effects, and from the effects you see a whole lot. You can transition from here, you can add stickers, you can split, you know, you can time the timing, you can do all sort of stuffs right here. It's so easy, you just explore with it to get used to it. I just want to show you one or two things you might be needing on TikTok. So I use transitions a lot. They actually give my videos a good effect. So all you have to do if you want to use the transitions is that you play the video. While the video is playing, you click on the transition you want to use and it transitions that part. In case you want the transition to be extended, you just hold down, instead of just clicking. You just hold down for a while and you can remove your finger when you're done. Can you see it? Transitions look really beautiful. So basically this is it about using transitions here. It works for transitions, play time, and all of this right one here. Then I'll save that. It's gonna be cute and good. Did you see that? That's my transition and everything. So now we'll come here, we'll see what we have. So here you go with the text. You click on text and then you type what you want to type. Oh well, I have nothing to type, so I just type anything, and then I put borders. Label using the A clotted this thing. I just click it, it keeps changing, and after that I can change the colors too, as you saw I did. So this is basically easy. You move it to wherever. Then you can also set the duration. Like in case you don't want it to show on all parts of a video. That's how you see those very creative videos. You set it so it just plays on the part that is highlighted only. And basically this is how texts work. We go to stickers. We already show you stickers before. You pick a sticker, you move it to wherever you want it to be, and basically that's that. And then let's go to filters. Top right, you have filters top right there. So you pick a filter. If you don't want to go through here, you can easily decide to swipe your screen. Just keep swiping and the filters will keep coming out. Can you see I'm swiping, it keeps coming out. So you pick a filter that you love. If you don't love any filter, go to the original. So this is how filters work. And then adjust clip, you can see there these filters anyways. This is actually what filters does. So let's go to adjust clip. Trying to do that, you're going to clear everything that was already there. To adjust clip, so it's still the same thing as the editing we've been doing. And then we're not going to touch that, so we're going to go to volume. We're going to go to the volume. Okay, once you click on volume, you will see that the original sound, there's no original sound because you're using the sound already from the system, so there's no sound. The original sound won't be picked, but you can always use the original sound if you have a video uploaded. So you just adjust the soundtrack just in case it's too high and so basically this is all you need to know about this. Then you go next. It's always there. All you have to do is go to discover, just beside home on the main page. You see discover there. When you check there, you see hashtags that are trending. I will show you that later. You see all that. So now these are the hashtags I've previously used. So once I click on hashtag, it keeps popping up hashtags. Then I can also type the ones that I feel should should be related to my video. So I'll just put in as much hashtags until it's that space is filled. Make sure you do not dash them anyone. Use use all of your hashtag space. Then you post, you confirm. So let's say you go back, you want to upload a video. Instead of having to shoot a video with this, you click on upload down here, click on upload. It takes you to a gallery where you just pick any of your videos. I pick a video, and now I'll just click on it, highlight the video, click on next, and that's it. Click on next. So let's explore with the volume. We go to volume. Now this time around you notice something different. When you click on volume, you will see that the original sound is highlighted, so you can easily increase the sound and lower the sound of the soundtrack, the soundtrack. So in case you've made a beautiful video of you motivated, doing a motivational speech, is useful there. And then after that, you can do the others I've told you about. This is voice part, where you can switch your voice to chipmunk, and co. I hardly use that though. And then now look what I'm going to show you. First of all, from Discover, can you see these are the trending hashtags? Ugly face, thinking of me, April Fool. So you just pick this trending hashtags, you add them to your videos. They help people see your videos easily. So this is it. Then maybe let's say I'm looking for a particular song, I want to vibe to a particular song. I'm looking for Christians on TikTok. I'll come here, I'll type Christians, or maybe I'm looking for a particular person on TikTok. Look for the person, search via here, come here, Christian TikTok. Then I'll search. I'll see lots of Christians who use TikTok and what they do with TikTok, so I can easily get a sound to mimic. So let's go. I've just seen this person, I like her video, I've watched it.
Can you do it?
And I mimic. So you can easily search from here. Okay, you go Christian TikTok hashtags. It brings out all the lots of hashtags that has to do with Christian TikTok. You understand? So you can search for hashtags via here too. Do you see how interesting this app is? So sounds, you can search for sounds via this place too. So can you see? You can even easily say Christian songs. This is what I'm interested in. Christian songs, just what you're interested in. Okay, it brings out lots of Christian songs for you, and then you pick anyone, and then you can easily say, okay, I have this song on mind, Jesus loves me. I'll pick I'll search for Jesus loves me. Then it brings up a whole lot of Jesus loves me songs, and I look for which is pertaining to what I'm looking for. So this is how it works. You're looking for a user on TikTok, you click here, you search. You're just basically searching for what's trending on TikTok with Jesus loves me. You click on top. You're looking for videos that has to go with Jesus loves me. You click on videos. So TikTok is quite interesting. You just follow interesting people on TikTok, and then you start booming. You start getting followers. You start enjoying the TikTok world. So basically, this is a very short clip on how to use TikTok, and I hope you get to understand this. So let's go. Let's look for a sound. Okay, ugly face. Let's do something. Okay, I want to use the sound. So they said use the sound. I'm trying to take the sound to use. Okay, I'm waiting for you. So use the sound. Now do you see what it's turned me into? I don't like me basically. So let's go speed. I'll turn on speed because I want to get funny. So can you see what happened when let me turn off speed again. So when I click on the speed, this appears on my screen. So in case I want my video to be faster, like I want to look faster on the video, all I have to click is 2x. Then while recording, it's going to be a bit slower. So let's go. I'm recording and it's going slower. Then probably I want to change to being for the video to now be slow. All I have to do is pause. Then I'll move to 0.5x. It's going to make it slower. Then I'm like, this is faster. So that's basically that. So can you see my video? See that? See what it looks like? Oh, I get slowly. So that's crazy, I know, and that's fun too. So basically that's how it works. And from this effect, you wonder where people find all those very amazing filters effects. It's right here. All the effects you need is right here. You have glitch, you have rainbow, you have storm, you have smoke. They're all right here for you. So we're saving this video. Then next you do the regular steps I talked about. Next you can now post your video. So this is basically what you need to know as a beginner on TikTok. All you have to do is start with what you know first of all on TikTok before you even start getting to the next phase of TikTok. I mean, so this is how you enjoy a TikTok account.